Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change voice pitch on Capcut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create a new project on Capcut. So I'm going to click on new project and I'm going to go to the library and I'm just going to add black background to my project. Okay, this one. And I'm going to add audio to this project. I'm gonna go to the audio and then select sounds, and I'm going to add sounds from my device. Click on device and wait, I'm still choosing the audio. For example, oops, sorry, I don't want to add this audio. Okay, this one, I'm going to add this audio to my project. Click on this plus icon to add the audio. And now the audio has been added to this project, and now it's time to change the audio pitch. If you want to change the pitch, you can go to the effect, click on your audio like this until your audio is active, and you can go to the audio effect. And then you can choose the voice filters category and you can choose high, low, or deep to change the pitch. Okay, wait, I'm going to show you the original audio.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand at a pivotal
this is how the original audio sounds like.
moment in history, it is imperative.
And I'm going to change the pitch of this voice. Go to audio effect and I'm going to try high.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand at a pivotal Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand at a pivotal moment in history.
Ladies and
gentlemen, as we stand at a pivotal moment in history,
I think I'm
it
good
is
with this one.
imperative that we confront the reality
You
of
can customize the pitch.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand
and also the timbre.
Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies
Okay,
and gentlemen,
once you're done, you can click on the check mark.
In history, it is imperative that
okay. And this is the final
Ladies
result.
and gentlemen, as we stand at a pivotal moment in history, it is imperative.
Basically, you just need to apply the voice effect to change the voice, to change the pitch of your voice. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change voice pitch on Capcut mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.